fellow crystal lovers, thanks for joining me today. I'm Harmony, owner of Rainbows of Light, your Swarovski authorized reseller. We just have a couple of weeks until Halloween, so I just wanted to share with you some spooky, sparkly Swarovski crystal designs that you can make with the skull beads. Okay, I've been playing around with these very cool skull beads and came up with a couple of designs for you. Here on the left here, I've used, this is the 13mm skull bead, perfect for earrings or a necklace. This one is the black patina, so it has that really unique patina look, speckled black and clear crystal all around. I threaded it through just a head pin here that has a loop at the bottom, thinking you could add a tassel to it or some chain. That would be cool too. For his crown, I used the 59208 8mm silver jet beads, and then I took this little flowerette bead and turned it upside down for more of a crown look. And then I added this really sparkling pave ball bead in jet hematite. This is an 8mm, and this is just gorgeous with all those sparkles to it. So you can make earrings or a necklace out of this one. And then over here I did more of a gold look. This one is the gold patina. So it has that gold speckled clear crystal look. I threaded it on a Swarovski crystal gold black diamond head pin. And I turned the crown opposite this way for that little flowerette bead. And then for his sparkling crown, I used the 59208 8mm gold clear crystal and topped it off with a Dorado 2X bicone bead to match that gold look. And then if you wanted to add more of a sparkling look, we do have the pave ball beads in gold clear crystal as well, in an 8mm. And so these are very cool. Here's a skull bead in crystal AB, so you can see that effect coming through all the way around. This one is crystal and astral pink. Look at that. Ooh, pretty pink coming through with more of a coppery kind of look all the way around. And then this one is the rose gold 2X. So it's all the way coated on every side of the bead. Look at that detail in there they've gotten on that skull. So these are great for Halloween designs, or if you celebrate Day of the Dead, or if you just are feeling like you want more of an edgy look with spikes and skulls. That's been really popular as well. All of the skull beads are at an extra promotion, 15% off right now. So you can use the coupon code SKULLBEADS at checkout and get some extra savings there. Only while supplies last, so scoop them up while you can. Thanks again for joining me. I sincerely appreciate it. Hope you had fun with these designs, and let me know how they turned out, what you're creating for Halloween, how you're dressing up. Post pictures on our Facebook page. I'd love to see everything from you. It's so fun. All right, well, I'm always here and happy to help. If you have any questions, let me know, and have a wonderful Halloween.